Mom is sleeping, but not for long.
Wake up, Mommy!
What is that?
It's just us. We are sloths.
The family eats breakfast together. It is a happy morning. These pancakes look delicious. So, Mark, what are we doing today?
Chai? I won't tell you yet. It is a surprise.
I love surprises. Is it big?
A nature park? That sounds wonderful.
Nice to meet you, Jake. We are ready for adventure. I will teach you new words today. Are you ready?
Yes!
Forest. Everyone say forest.
Listen. Can you hear the birds singing?
Look! A small lizard.
Sloth. It moves very slowly.
This is going to be a great photo. I'll rise.
Oh, look! The monkeys are jumping!
Don't worry, Mark. I speak monkey. Let me help.
Wow, look at the water. This place is beautiful.
This coconut water is so fresh and sweet. Beach. We are at the beach. Uh-oh. Look at those dark clouds.
The rain starts very fast. But it is warm rain.
Here is the waterfall. Be careful. The rocks are slippery.
Brrr. The water is cold.
Waterfall. Water falling from high rocks.
It is a special moment for the family.
Rainbow. What a great day. But I am getting tired.
Hey, what is this strange stone?
Leo finds an old stone. It has strange lines.
They are sleeping like little logs. It was a perfect day.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English stories.
It is the next morning. The sun wakes up the family.
Mom. Dad, look at the lines on the stone. It looks like a leaf or a fishbone. Huh?
I think we need an expert to help us.
Let's go to the city museum. They have scientists there.
Dinosaur. This is a T-Rex skeleton.
Excuse me. Can you look at this stone? Hello, my name is Dr. Sarah. Let me see. Dr. Sarah uses a microscope to see the stone better. Oh my! This is very interesting. Congratulations! You found a fossil!
Fossil. It is a very old plant or animal turned into stone. Good job, Leo! You have eagle eyes.
Mark! Mark, you are so silly! You have chocolate on your face, Mr. Scientist.
The museum is closing. It is time to go home.
Yes, but we are staying in the backyard. It is safe.
Now, how do we open this tent?
Look at the moon. It is full tonight. Moon and stars. They light up the night sky. Ghosts are hungry. Who wants s'mores?
Yummy! It is sweet and sticky.
Look! A shadow bunny hopping.
It was just Fluffy the cat. This is a fossil. I found it in the nature park. I am slow. Everyone laughs. Leo is very funny. Classroom, where we learn and play.
The bell rang. They're coming out.
Daddy, look what I made in class.
Hello, team.
Hello, team. How was school?
Mrs. Green loved my fossil. She gave me a gold star. And everyone laughed at my mask.
At home, they look at photos from their weekend.
Can we go on an adventure every weekend?
Maybe next time we go to the moon. Just kidding. Maybe the beach again.
It is good to be home.
We learned so many new words. Good night, everyone.
See you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English stories.